another quick video. Today's topic is Amazon EC2 instance types. So basically, there are a total of 5 different instance types. So we'll start here with general purpose. Then we have the compute optimized. Next is the memory optimized, accelerated computing, and then storage optimized. So you can probably guess that each of these instance types have their own usage depending on what your project calls for. So if you're doing something with more CPU intensive, maybe gaming or something with large data sets, you may need more processing power versus one here like a memory optimized. So this one would be ideal for, that's what it says, memory optimized applications. And this is something interesting that I just found out as I've been studying. So the R in this particular instance breakdown, this stands for RAM. So basically you can kind of decide which one best suits your needs. This is just on the Amazon website here. And then there's also the EC2 Instance Explorer. So this is just general information telling you that they offer more than 550 instance types. The one that I like, which is in the free tier, is the T2 Micro, and this is a general purpose. This is a general purpose instance type, and if I'm not mistaken, this one gives you about 750 hours free per month. So you can see that down here, low cost general purpose. So if you're just spinning up a quick POC and you don't need the instance to be on the full time, if you're just using it for just connecting to your server, or you can use it as a web server or whatever, this would probably be ideal for that. Just getting your feet wet with the platform. I'm sorry, did I say T2? Should have been T2 Micro is a free tier. I'm sorry. So but yeah, you can come here and explore this for yourself. And then another resource here that would be useful is this website, instances.vantage.sh, and this just kind of gives you a breakdown based off the name of the instance, how much memory it has, vCPUs, which is virtual CPUs, storage, network performance, on-demand versus reserved costs, things of that nature. So this is pretty useful site here as well. This also covers RDS as well. So always with the AWS ecosystem, there's so many options to choose from. You really just have to find which one suits your particular needs as well as your budget. So kind of the last thing you want to do is spin up an instance that you don't really need or you're not going to maximize. And that's the whole benefit of the cloud, is being able to scale up and scale out very easily, as well as benefiting from the economies of scale. So the last thing you want to do is spin up an instance that you're not going to fully utilize. So I would just be cognizant of that you don't overdo your instance type if you're not going to use it. So that's pretty much it. And just to reiterate, have 5 different instance types. So general, compute, memory, accelerated storage, and then storage optimized. And then these are basically the features of each instance type. So make sure you do your due diligence before you spin one of these guys up, because you do not want a surprise bill at the end of the month. So that's it.